Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NXTD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. No, I don't mean to state the obvious or anything like that, but today the price movement was all over the place, and then you factor in down here the volume, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so I want to get some levels of support and then resistance mapped out. First level of support is what I would definitely call that ideal level, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the best and the healthiest? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $2.33. And this just comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right here, it was very clear that this is the area that did knock down the price. So it was resistance at that point. But then again, like I said, the rule, when the price breaks above it, you want to see that former level of resistance now act as support. And that is exactly what happened today. Several times the bulls, or I should say the bears try to press down through there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. And, going forward, that's definitely what you want to see continue to happen. Now, from the big picture of things, it's really all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scope of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. Now, I fully realize that if you're a day trader and you bought, right there, then yeah, you really don't care about that purple line. So I'm definitely making all those comments in regards to the 50-period moving average from somebody that has more of a broader term type, approach to the trade. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, all that, not a top priority. Top priority by far now is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because if the price can start to build higher bases like this, you picture those as stair steps, then the overall chart will continue to take care of itself, and that's what you want to see. So focus on building higher lows, and we'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.